Hey guys, I literally just got the package in. Alright, so this is going to be for the Uragan. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. 3. It's from the. I bought it from Tony at Talon Airguns. I think the brand is Airgun Technology. I've never. Oops. Walked into a box behind there. Never had a PCP or even a gun before, so this is pretty exciting. Okay, so let me see. I haven't seen packing peanuts in a very long time, but oh, actually no. My car website that I get detailing supplies uses foam peanuts that are like dissolvable, so I can't say that I don't see them anymore, but yeah. All my Amazon packages, I guess, have switched over to using airbags. Alright, so it is kind of messy. Oh. That's what I'll say. I do prefer the airbags, but maybe they're more expensive. Okay, so I wasn't actually sure if this came with a case, but it looks like a soft. Oh, this is kind of heavy. Case does come with the order. Let me just clean up this stuff. Okay, let me zoom in a little bit more. Okay, so the zipper is up here. And that. Okay. Oh, cool. So this is the thing that Tony was saying. So I guess that's the pellet, maybe. I actually don't know, but I don't know what this is. I guess he used his chrono foot-pound, so this is probably the FPE rating. P factor. I have no idea what that is. But hopefully, when I get a little bit more into this hobby, I will know what that is. Is this a mouse pad? Kind of feels like a mouse pad. Oh, it is a mouse pad. It's a desk pad, actually. So this is... Oh, that's cool. It has like the... blueprint, or maybe not the blueprints, but it's like the exploded diagrams of the Vulcan 3, which I've been hearing about. The Vixen 2 and the one that I got, the Uragan 3. I'm actually not sure what the difference is between the Vulcan 3 and the Uragan 3, other than I guess I've read that the Vulcan 3 is like the stronger version that does have a little bit more customization. I only got the Uragan 3 because people on the Airgun Nation forums were saying that it's a PCP that you don't have to tune as much, like the FX Impact. Like I think it's the M4 maybe. Oh, this is a large moderator. And so I figured, hey, like, if I don't want to mess around with all those things, what should I do? And yeah, that's why I got this. So this is the 700 millimeter Oh, let me pull this out. Uragan 3. This one on the top. So I guess that refers to this length. So that's what, 70 centimeters? And it has the carbon stock. I personally just went with the carbon because I figured it'd be less heavy than like the walnut or the synthetic. But it is nice that it is black. So it's like a clean look. Let me see. So that's what it looks like. I don't know if this is, can you change this? Like orientation wise? Maybe not. So that's a carbon fiber bottle. It's like ½ liter. Okay, I just flipped it over. Let's see, what's on this end and on this side? Oh, okay, so some context for you viewers. I am gonna need to do a lot of reading to figure out what exactly is going on here. I assume this bottle is filled, so I probably shouldn't start messing around with it. I do have the compressor. Oh, his name is Anthony, not Tony. Didn't catch that, but that makes a lot of sense. Like a keychain. This must be a bottle fill valve, and oh, these are the magazines that I got. So these two come with a gun, and then this red one is the 3D printed thing that works for slugs, I believe. Let's see, so that's what that looks like. Oh, okay. Oh no, is that aluminum? Feels really light. Oh, but the 3D printed one is super light. So, that's pretty cool. This. I mean, I see this as like a quick connect part, but I don't know where this goes. It's like a little caliper pen. That's kind of fun. But yeah, so I guess these are just extras. And yeah, so that's the gun. Is there like a serial number on this? I mean, how do you ID it? Maybe air guns don't have that stuff? No idea. But here's the right angle of the, I guess this is the bottle pressure. I don't necessarily know if you can regulate this. But yeah, that's something I'll have to figure out later. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I'm just not prepared right now to know what I'm dealing with. So I'll have to do a little bit more reading, and then I'll figure out what everything is. So I'm pretty sure this is a fill valve to the bottle. And if I, let me see, if I go to my, the, what is it, GX pump, the CS4, I believe, it's just been sitting. So I'll have to figure out how to use this, the air separator, or the water separator, and then, yeah. But, hopefully, I can figure that out this weekend. So, thank you for watching.